Welcome back. Today we're going to cover Imagine by John Lennon. I'm using the capo on the second fret, so it goes better with my voice at the second fret. But you can try it around the fretboard, on the third fret, on the first fret, or not at all, whatever goes better with your voice. So let's get started. For this song, we're going to use our fingers for picking, because we're going to mix picking and strumming. So for the picking part, the thumb is going to play the A string, the index will play the G, the middle finger will play the D, and the index will play the B. We will start by playing the C major 4 times. We will play the D, G, and B strings together, then the A. On the 4th time, we're going to lift the index finger and then play the F major. We're going to play the F major for 3 times, and on the 4th time, we're going to do this lick. We will play the open G, then hammer it on the 2nd fret, and then play the B. Then go to C major. This picking pattern will go for the intro and the chorus. For the strumming pattern, we're going to do a familiar strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So let's play the whole song.
Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. I know religions do. Imagine all the people living life in peace. They say I'm a demon, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you join us, and the world will be as